What's the meaning of artifice? Artifice. Artifice.
Artifice. Artifice. Artifice refers to the use of clever tactics or strategies to achieve a desired goal. It can also refer to the use of deception or trickery to achieve a particular outcome. The result of using artifice can vary greatly depending on the context in which it is used. In some cases, it may lead to success and achievement, while in others it may result in negative consequences such as mistrust or backlash. Ultimately, the effectiveness of artifice depends on the intent behind its use and the ethical considerations involved.